The best ceramic coating spray protects your car's paint, enhances gloss, repels water and dirt, and delivers long-lasting shine with minimal maintenance. My today's video is about top 5 best car ceramics coating spray that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Adams Polish's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Spray. Adams True Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating stands out by delivering genuine graphene-based protection instead of relying solely on silica-infused formulas. Its advanced graphene chemistry creates a durable, glossy barrier that helps shield your vehicle from dirt, water, UV exposure, and everyday contaminants. One of its most innovative features is the patent-pending ceramic glow technology, which uses UV tracers to reveal covered areas under a UV flashlight, making application more precise and beginner-friendly. The spray-on formula is easy to use, allowing both enthusiasts and professional detailers to coat an entire vehicle with minimal effort. It's also highly versatile, providing reliable protection for painted surfaces, wheels, glass, headlights, trim, chrome, plastic, and other exterior components. Applying it panel by panel ensures even coverage and optimal performance. Made in the USA and backed by Adams' Satisfaction Guarantee, this ceramic spray coating is an excellent choice for anyone seeking long-lasting shine, enhanced protection, and hassle-free maintenance. Now our second product is Holley Speed Finish Ceramic Detailing Spray. This ceramic-infused detail spray is an excellent solution for maintaining a freshly detailed finish without the time and effort of a full ceramic coating. Its fast-acting, quick-dry formula boosts gloss, restores a slick surface, and repels dust, dirt, and water in just minutes. Designed to work on both wet and dry surfaces, it's perfect for post-wash drying or last-minute touch-ups before a road trip or car show. The ceramic technology bonds with existing ceramic coatings, enhancing hydrophobic performance while extending protection between washes. It also provides up to 60 days of added defense against UV rays and environmental contaminants, helping preserve your vehicle's shine and finish. Safe for use on paint, glass, and plastic trim, it delivers consistent results across the entire exterior. Whether you're a detailing enthusiast or simply want your vehicle to stay cleaner longer, this spray offers a quick, effective, and hassle-free way to maintain showroom-quality gloss and protection. Our third product is Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. This ceramic spray sealant delivers an impressive combination of long-lasting protection, exceptional gloss, and effortless application. Featuring an industry-leading 50-wash durability rating, it provides extended defense against everyday contaminants, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want reliable paint protection without frequent reapplication. Its true ceramic technology creates a highly hydrophobic barrier that effectively repels water, mud, road grime, and dirt, helping your vehicle stay cleaner for longer. The finish is remarkably slick, reducing the chance of contaminants sticking to the paint while enhancing the overall appearance. One of its biggest advantages is its ease of use. Simply apply a light spray to a clean, dry panel and buff to reveal a deep, mirror-like shine in minutes. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or a show car, this ceramic coating offers professional-looking results with minimal effort. It's an outstanding option for anyone seeking durable protection, brilliant gloss, and a smooth, glass-like finish. Now number 4, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray. This ceramic spray wax is an excellent choice for drivers who want lasting paint protection and a brilliant showroom finish with minimal effort. Its advanced ceramic wax polymers create a durable protective layer that helps defend against UV rays, road grime, dirt, and other environmental contaminants, keeping your vehicle cleaner between washes. The formula significantly enhances paint depth and clarity, leaving behind a rich, high-gloss, mirror-like shine that refreshes your car's appearance instantly. Its strong hydrophobic properties cause water to bead and roll off the surface, reducing drying time while minimizing the risk of water spots. Application is quick and beginner-friendly. Simply spray onto a clean, dry surface and buff with a microfiber towel for impressive results. It's also versatile enough for use on paint, glass, headlights, trim, and wheels, making it a convenient all-in-one detailing solution. For anyone seeking easy maintenance, durable protection, and exceptional shine, this ceramic spray wax delivers outstanding everyday performance. And our last choice is Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. This CO2-infused ceramic spray wax offers an outstanding balance of long-lasting protection, impressive gloss, and effortless application. Formulated with advanced ceramic technology, it creates a durable shield that helps protect your vehicle from oxidation, harmful UV rays, dirt, rain, and environmental contaminants while maintaining a deep, high-gloss finish. Its hydrophobic properties cause water to bead and roll off instantly, reducing dirt buildup and making routine maintenance much easier. Unlike traditional car waxes that wear off quickly, this ceramic formula delivers enhanced durability and protection that lasts for months. The simple spray-on, wipe-off application makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced detailers, allowing you to achieve professional-looking results in just minutes. Safe for paint, plastic trim, rubber, chrome, and wheels, it provides consistent protection across nearly every exterior surface. Made in the USA, this ceramic spray wax is an excellent choice for drivers seeking superior shine, long-lasting defense, and hassle-free vehicle care. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.